Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word disciple. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Jesus had many disciples who followed him and learned from his teachings. A disciple is a follower or student who learns and adheres to the teachings of a particular person or belief system, typically a religious leader. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.